if angikufuni phathana ngizokuthakatha ngiyakwazi umuthi muthi nginawo
so kusho uzothwasa nengane ezithakathayo
kakhulu futhi
ezinenhliziyo ezimbi
abanye bakhona bathwasa umuntu uyathwasa bamthathela iboyfriend ufuna ukupractice lento uyohlanganisa imithi achithe umunye umntwana yini sisothi ku-light ubu-light buthakathi lo sizothi hayi ku-light sizothi hayi ngoba umchithile hayi it's just light how do we say now uthakatha kakhulu masebulela umuntu the minute you dabble into izinto zokuphakamisa or izinto zokukhuphula amandla or izinto zokuthwala you must know that you are sacrificing yourself nedlozi lakho to say come wena entity from outside and come rule over my life. So where are you going to get the power if you've invited someone to come and rule? You see, the thing is, mani yothwala abantshela ukuthi akusuka ukuthi lento ithobela wena uthobela yona because yona itshela wena ukuthi phila kanjani. So you're basically taking your life and giving it to an entity to say rule me. Because Musmina, I'm here for the money. When I take care of the rest, I'm here for the man, rule me. Because you ulanda lento pathanani. Every morning you must wake up. Sawona patha isigubhu or whatever. Sawona pathanani vuka namhlanje.
Okay, now.
Do you understand? Vuka, hamba uyolanda abantu abayi-50 every day. We all know pangolin is endangered. But I'll tell you, nabakhona abantu abanayo ipangolin endumbeni zawo. We know it's a given fact that pangolin is an endangered species according to the government of South Africa. But sinayo ipangolin.
Khona umunye wangisendela ku TikTok. Wangisendela ivideo yayo.
Hence I'm saying to you sinayo
ipangolin. Ngizoyenzani mina?
Yeah.
Athi uyayithengisa. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Pathanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Pathanani, I am your chef. I've got my friend. Good morning, good day, and good afternoon.
Hi Pathanani.
How are you darling?
Ngiyapila njani?
Because I'm not, you can tell. Ngiyapila, long time.
Yeah, very long time.
Where have you been? How is everything?
Around, educating, trying to raise awareness.
Wow.
Trying to fix this big mess that my colleagues have created.
Yeah. I see you muhle nirola kangisalthong.
Ngithe ngigqokele ngibe muhle, you know what, and honor you for what you're doing.
Oh wow, I'm excited. Yeah, please, it's a norm. Please tell them who are you, where you from, what's special about you, and if you want to leave your numbers, please do so, because you'll never know after this episode kungenzakalani, because angifuni ndibe ngiphana ngabantu ngamanamba enu kubantu ngono nizenzele nina, so that masekudala ngathi ushepha. Anyway, yes, Sunny.
My name is Tepiso Hope Ngobeni. I come from Pretoria. But I am an informed and willing to inform, advocate for spirituality. Yeah, so that's who I am. I speak my truth,
yes,
and I listen to other people's truth. And take from that, learn if I'm learning, if I'm not learning anything here. So I'll always search for iqiniso and to make things right. In the truest form of spirituality. Wow. So yeah, that's me.
Thank you so much. Nimzuleke uchazile, ngiyayithanda uma uthi udume ngokukhuluma. Kumele sibuyele esintwini and esibuyele ngeqiniso because ngifila ngathi siyabuyela kuqiniso.
Hayi siyabuyela mara sibuyela namanga ene siyolahleka ngeke sesifike la sifuna ukuya khona.
You understand that?
Yeah, so it's good ukuthi masithi siyabuyela. I think if color is green asibizeni ngo green. If yellow asibizeni ngo yellow. And if it means for us ukuthi siye sofunisisa kahle ukuthi ukuze ikhala ibe green kufakwa amanye amaphe amakhala ukuze ibe pure green. Let's go back and do research to find out why did we find ourselves color green. So yes, we want to go back, but in us going back, let's filter everything else emosha where we come from, who we are, and where we wanted to go.
Wow, thank you. Beningicileke ukuthi ugogo Tshepiso abuye. Ngoba mina ngiyanthanda futhi ngiyanilalela nangu ubuyile. And I am excited to have her here. Niyasazi kakhulu nisilandela ku TikTok. Sihlale sisonke. And niyamazi ke aka hold back ugogo Tshepiso. Kusho into kwayisa. Ngifuna ugogo Tshepiso. Anyway, gogo namhlanje ngicela ukuthi sikhulume nge-danger of being sangoma or inyanga, because I do believe there are dangers.
Dangers of being isangoma or inyanga. Patanani, I want to speak and say, as beings, we are balls of energy.
Okay.
And us being balls of energy, we are not asihlukanga from ukuthi other parasite energies zifike zifuna ukuletcha on to us. Also, that depends entirely on how your energy is going. Sometimes there's negative energy and there's positive energy. Now, and it doesn't mean that negative energy will not latch on to positive energy. Remember, a parasite will want to feed off whatever it feels it is favorable to them. Now, the dangers of being isangoma or inyanga is that you are a portal and you are open to energy. Now, when you are open to energy, Patanani, it is how you filter the bad energy that comes into you. It is how you receive the good energy that wants to latch onto you. Right now, our biggest downfall as izangoma or inyanga is that we don't have trust or believe kulento esiyona or saphiwa yona. That is why today you find a lot of nyangas or sangomas bahamba baphume bayofuna ukukhulisa lento banayo. They are going to look for fueling. They want to fuel this thing. Kanti umuntu makahlala phansi understand ezibone ezizwe ukuthi yena uyinto enjani. It is going to be easy to look within you to find the energy that you need, that you want to source out from outside. Kanti that energy is within you. And if you go purely with your energy, uyoba right. So the dangers are pattern. Right now we are facing a pandemic of izangoma or inyanga bahambe bayotwala because bafuna ukukhuphula lento banayo. And it's so sad because how do you khuphula what is given to you from birth? It is yours.
It is yours.
All you have to do is to prune it. When amnigas why? Why don't you believe in yourself? Why don't you believe in your power? And why don't you believe in your gifts for you to feel that melusuge and go and source out from outside lento nayo owaphiwa from birth? So it means when personally you are saying to yourself you don't even trust who you are. Now, if that is the case, Patanan, if I am Tshepiso and I'm claiming that nginyanga and this is a born given right to me, ngiphume ngiyososa out this thing, what am I saying to the next person? Lozo zagimi ozofuna mina ngincede yena ngento yakhe. Because how am I helping someone to figure themselves out or to get who they are if I myself do not believe in what I possess?
It's a problem. It's a problem because honestly, wenzani kahle kahle.
But we are sitting here, Patanan, we are sitting here and sibiza ngeinyanga, sibiza ngeisangoma, but we don't understand the power within ourselves. That is why today we are sourcing out. Siyahamba siya kulabantu abazaziyo izinto. We are going siyokhuphula amandla. We are going to twala. Because lento egithi asiyazi asiunderstand futhi asithembi.
You know, I was asking you I asked you this question because I'm just thinking of that gentleman who passed away from the show, Faith Kobela. Like when social media was saying ukadliwe or bulawe ezinye inyanga. So that's why ngibuza ukuthi the danger lana if sizoba nabantu abagadlwayo ngenxa ukuthi they are doing umsebenzi uthizeni. So ngiyakuzwa futhi namanje uyasho ukuthi abanye abantu bazohambe ukukhuphula into abanayo bahambe uthwala because of course abantu bathwasa inyanga.
Yeah, but look, you see, we can't go on hearsay. Yes, angabagadliwe ilaba bamgadlile. Because we can't deny the fact that bakhona abantu abazitakathelayo shem. And ukubulala abantu is ukufana nokuphefumula for them. It's not a big deal. It's not akusinto enkulu for them. Bayakubulala manje siphathana sihleli nawe la ucime sihleli nawe uzifele because bayakwazi ukukwenza lokho. Also at the same time let us not singayivali indaba ukuthi mhlawumbe uzifele umntana abantu. But yes, inyanga ziyakwazi ukuthi zikubulale. More especially zikubulalela ukuthi wena you are bringing to light something they want to hide from people. Uyayizwa lento engisho? Imagine Phathanani ngiza la ku show yakho. Ngifike ngithi wena Phathanani futhi lento yenzayo uxola abantu ayikho lento uyikhulumayo nalabantu ababizayo bothepisa nabo bani i-script niyayiplana lento because you want to nifuna ukutshela abantu amanga. Uyayizwa? So there's two sides to a coin. Yes, bangaba bamgadlile because ubakhipha isinkwe emlonyeni. No, bangaba bangamgadlanga washonela mntwana abantu. But ezisangoma ungena kumunye umuzi wesangoma esinye ufika uyokhuluma lezo zinto, trust and believe leyo muntu uzokwata, and they will do each and everything that they can empilweni zabo to make sure that you suffer, because in that instant wena to them you tainted them in a bad way. You understand? So I'm gonna revenge. I'm human. So they could have revenged Bambulala or Angabasfe.
Okay, tell me, Isangoma, are they allowed to go to Mutomyam?
Isangoma yini eqaleni?
Oh, you can help me.
Sangoma siyabhula.
Okay.
Ngesonto bathi umprofeti. Umuntu okwazi person that can read the bones. Inyanga iyawazi umuthi. And iphathanani lo mina umuthi mina ngiubonayo wena ubona umnyama. Mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiusebenzisele ekhanyeni.
Okay.
So it is my understanding of loyo muthi and how I want to use it. So I can't say to you sangoma siyavumela ukuthi sibe nomuthi omnyama. Singaba nawo lo muthi omnyama, but because akanayo knowledge yokuthi lo muthi uyakwazi ukuthi ushintshe so ngeke azawubone ezumuthi omnyama. But as for someone that asithi igedle, igedle la understanda umuthi, la understand ukuthi umkhanya kude, yabona umkhanya kude is common, everyone knows it. Uyakwazi ukuthi awushintsha wenza umuthi omnyama. We are not going to say ushintshe because uyigedla. No, une understanding yalowo muthi.
Oh, okay.
So yes, isangoma siyaba nawo umuthi omnyama. Inyanga yaba nawo umuthi omnyama. It is, do they have the knowledge to know ukuthi lo muthi lo uyakwazi ukuthi uzishintshe ube umuthi omnyama na, or mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiushintshe ngiwenze umuthi omnyama? Because imithi. Okay. It is up to me and my knowledge of how I use loyo muthi.
Okay. Again, you spoke about ukuthi yes mangibuza the danger ngaze ngenze example the gentleman. And then wathi umuntu mayizongena kwakho uzokwata, which is true. You understand? Because we are umoshika malami and isibaningi manje sizangoma sinyanga. So sengizobuza ama client ngenxa yakho. Ngitsheleke umuntu owumngoma, is he or she allowed to have to use like witchcraft and black magic?
Let's not forget we are energy. And if bad energy latches onto you, Phathanani, you're bound to go in that direction. Also, ubungoma does not abuhlukanisa inhliziyo yomuntu. Umuntu angangenwa ubunyanga bathana inhliziyo embi. Trust and believe uzoyongena ebuthakathini loyo muntu. Inhliziyo yakhe first levuma ukuthi kube kanje. The minute Phathanani ngicabanga ukuthi ngicabangela ukuthi Phathanani ngathi mangathi makasukuma lana ngathi angawa. Already sengumthakathi because I'm wishing bad on you. So let us remove the fact yokuthi because ngiyinyanga ngeke ngize ngibe umthakathi. Kuhamba nenhliziyo nokuthi umuntu onjani, but that plays a huge role ekuthenini ukuthi ngumuntu onjani. Yes ngiyinyanga, but ngumuntu onjani mina.
So
anginazwelo
everything
for the
lies
next
with you.
person. Yes, anginazwelo for omunye umuntu. So if angikufuni phathana ngizokuthakatha ngiyakwazi umuthi muthi nginawo.
So kusho ukuthi uzothwasa ney'ngane ey'thakathayo
Kakhulu futhi.
ezinenhliziyo ezimbi.
Abanye bakhona bathwasa, umuntu uyathwasa bamthathela i-boyfriend, ufuna ukupractice lento. Uyohlanganisa imithi achithe omunye umntwana yini sisothi ku-light, ubu-light buthakathi lo. Sizothi hayi
You
ku-light.
tell me.
Sizothi hayi ngoba umchithile hayi it's just light. How do we say now uthakatha kakhulu masebulela umuntu?
I think everybody uyathakatha.
Exactly, inhliziyo.
Okay, so isikhwama sokugadla.
Yeah.
Nami ngisangoma am allowed to have it.
If ever kunabantu bakini laba bahamba naleyo mimoya. Yabona I'm going to say this to you Phathanani. Yabona izinto zivunywa empilweni yakho because in your bloodline zike zaba khona.
Wow.
Awusukumi nje from nowhere usucabanga ukuthi wena suyofuna ukuyothwa. What planted that seed in your head? It's not social media. Social media can tell you, yes, there's this thing. But you actually standing up and taking a step and going lapaya with all your might, nale mali yakho, and then coming back with this thing, fikuyisebenzise. There's something in your DNA, somewhere in you, that has accepted this thing before. That is why uzobuya na ifika isebenze. Zivuma izinto. However, bakhona abantu abangangamela izinto zabantu Phathanani. Ngibo bapiyoshe bamnikile leyo power yokuthi akayolapha abantu. Abe greed because siphile emhlabeni sonke. Abe greed umuntu abona ukuthi ish a week ngingenelwa umuntu oyi1, which means a month ngingenelwa abantu abayi4. It is not enough. Athi ngihambe ngiyolanda lento ngizobuya ngisebenze ngayo. Know that in that case if idlozi lakho abantu bakini abanayo lento yesithwala, idlozi liyakusuka Phathanani liyomela eceleni. Usala ngisho wena uboss uyakwazi ukusigavena, usala uzibone wena. That is where idlozi lisuka kuwe usale wena. Angisho wena you think bona abana use empilweni yakho. That is why you went and sourced for lento ukuthi yona izothatha isikhundla sabo ihlale lapha phambi kwabo. Kube uwe, kube yiyo, kube uwe, kube yibo. You've given this thing ipower yokuthi rule over everything. Wena do you think egini ungangena umuntu wangaphandle afika ethi ngeke nisadla ngo7 izocala ukudla ngo9 kini?
Angeke. Yazi ukuthi ngimangilalele kumele sifunde ukulinda.
Very much so. Very much. Besides ukulinda Phathanani, you know, mina ngiyayithanda spirituality because it pushes you to want to understand who and what you are. If kama mpela this thing unayo phakathi kwakho. And imnandi because it pushes you to look for where you come from. Labantu abathi bafuna ukuphakama kuwe manje, bakuabantu abanjani, bebafuna ini, bafuna kwenzeke ini. It makes you understand your family tree much better. And also it makes it stronger because there's someone that is digging and wanting to find out ukuthi le root iyapi ukuthi kumile ama-apula lama apula angabi green or angabi yellow ahlala ngaka, where is the cause? Yes, that spirituality is beautiful. Phathanani khona manje I want to wear a Louis Vuitton, I want to wear Gucci, I want to drive a Mercedes, all because ngithe nginedlozi.
Okay, go. Between Isangoma that once had a gift and uses Izibogi and Izizwe in Ukuhlola, Gogo, at times you come across a Sangoma that is allegedly was once gifted.
Yes.
But once they started using those things I've mentioned, Aksafani. What's your thought? What do you say?
Phathanani, the minute you dabble into izinto zokuphakamisa or izinto zokukhupula amandla or izinto zokuthwala, you must know that you are sacrificing yourself nedlozi lakho to say come wena entity from outside and come rule over my life. So where are you going to get the power if you've invited someone to come and rule? You see, the thing is, manyo twala abantshela ukuthi akusukuthi lento ithobela wena uthobela yona because yona itshela wena ukuthi phila kanjani. So you're basically taking your life and giving it to an entity to say, rule me. Because Musmina, I'm here for the money. When I take care of the rest, I'm here for the money. Rule me. Because you ulanda lento pathanan. Every morning you must wake up. Sawona patha isgubhu or whatever. Sawona pathanan vuka namhlanje.
Okay, now.
Do you understand? Vuka, hamba uyolanda abantu abayi-50 every day. Angisho uyilandile lento wayingasebenzeli mina ngirelax. Wayimele ngiyoyikhulumisa. Ikhona mos ngiyilandile ayisebenze kuyayazi ukuthi ngilandeleni. Wayimele ngiyoyicabanga ngiyikhumbuza every day ukuthi
landa phela.
Ngilandeleni.
Umdlalo muslo.
Yeah, listen, but the minute you take your whole life and put it into a routine of wanting to give this thing attention every day, iyaku-owner. Because what your day will not go on without you going to consult with this thing. Every morning I must wake up. Futhi amaZulu bayayazi ukuthakazela mos. Awu, madoda amahle.
Ungakhohlwa ukuthi nami ngumZulu.
Every day. Every day.
Okay, go. Tell me. If you can answer, please answer. If you can't, please. Because I know what's basibongile phela. Is it easy to tell?
Yes.
If this one
yes.
is not
yes.
And this one
yes.
is easy and whatever things
yes.
it's easy. And how?
Paternally, the minute utwala, your character changes completely. Ungathi babhema ama drugs mawungababheka abahlaliseki ziyabaluma lezi nakithi ungakhohlwa ukuthi unabo mantindane unamajaji zilokhu ziyakhuluma la endlebeni zakho all the time. Awuhlaliseki man.
Busy.
Awuhlaliseki. Awuhlala endaweni eyi-1 and you must I'm giving you a task. Labantu abathwele check how paranoid they are. Ayikho into abayithembayo. Ba paranoid ngale ndlela ethusayo. Abantu abathwele baphara why uzigcilaza kangaka ufuna ukuzifaka kwento you were living your life carefree. Think about it. Uthwele nabo boys. Hey, phathana ngifuna ukubulala. Iyakutshela lena. Uyayibona iparanoid iqala phi? Uphathana ngicabangela izinto ezini. Uphathana when are you going to have peace in your mind to say one awulali because lezi zinto zikhuluma throughout. 2 ziyokutshela ukuthi
ebusuku vele zibhizi.
Awulali. That's why these people resort to drinking a lot of alcohol. Umuntu makathwele uzokufonela phathanani mawungani wakhe athi asambe siyophuza mawuthi ubheka isikhathi u12 masiyocala uphuza manje ngo12 sisho ukuthi siyolala nini.
Hey manje ungikhumbuza enye into ke proceed.
So, think about because ngeke azalale and makathi ubeka ikhanda laba boy akuna peace of mind because uvuza izibuku zabantu izibuku zifuna ukukhuluma zifuna attention phela nazi and you're human. Your brain needs to rest. So how do you rest your brain? Rather udagwe. So uthatha impilo yakho ibeke etshwaleni because you want to block out manje lezi zinto uzilandele zona wena self.
Yo kunzima moslana.
Awuphathana si last year.
Gok, I want us to talk about amanzi angcolile versus amanzi alungile for cleansing.
Yeah.
What's your say? What's your thoughts when you hear it?
Amanzi angcolile amanzi
I recently had got informed that Sangomas was murdered in Emanzini, one of the popular rivers in Gauteng.
Yeah.
So now I just want to understand, can we still take people lawo manzi lawo okubulawele khona umuntu?
Amanzi is a body.
Okulahlwa khona izichitho or whatever you can call it.
Amanzi is a body pattern and that's why the water is always moving. Amanzi awami, not unless they say loyo muntu bambulelele kuye dam where the water is barricaded ahleli lapho kuleyo ndawo.
Okay.
I was clean.
Okay.
The river amanzi ayahamba.
So we don't have amanzi angcolile.
There's awanjani.
What I'm talking about, because I once heard even somewhere, no, lomfula loyana ungcolile because of this and this.
Abantu bayazingcolela phathana let's
abortions alahlwa khona laphayana like nje okuningi.
Then it means ke singasayo olwandle.
Okay.
Then it means ke singasayo olwandle because Ulwandle, you go to KZN right now, go to Durban, South Beach right now. Uyobathola neimbuzi zabo neinkukhu zabo bayi-million and they are there every day.
Let's do this now. Educate me on this and educate the Manches.
Pathanani, there are people that go to the river every single day. Uyolahlela inkukhu, uyolahlela amabhayi. People go to the extent of ukuthi baze neinkomo. Mina the last time when I was out, I was gone on holiday. Bantu bafike nenkomo.
Emanzini?
Nenkomo.
Emanzini?
At South Beach. Abantu bafike. So then it means let's close down ama beach. Let's not drink water because we get our water from reservoirs and dams and rivers. Because then it means we are all contaminated.
Because I was lost, but yeah,
Or awethu amanzi abuyaphi? Kuna la abuya khona special. Ayafana amanzi. You see water, we cannot say lawa amanzi are purple, lawa amanzi are orange amanzi. And because we understand that we are living in a cycle of life, somehow, somewhere, we get connected to lawo manzi. So you have to understand. So connect. There's something called erosion or evaporation. It can do evaporate amanzi akuphi. Are we selected place?
I don't know me.
Because when it rains, it's the same water that got evaporated from la emhlabeni. So kusho ukuthi malinetha izulu sihambe emgwaqweni malisiyonethwa izulu kusho ukuthi sinale inyama zalabantu abageziwe olwandle or emfuleni. Think about it.
Me? No, that's why I called you.
No, that's what I'm saying. Think about it.
Okay. No, bengifisa nje ukuthi ngazi ukuthi okay fine sihamba siyogeza emfuleni. So kahle ungcola lapho.
Yeah, umuntu usuke ezingcolele ene nawo mawuyinyanga uwazi umuthi wakho. Mawufika lapho or lawo manzi babulela abantu abayi-50 or abantu abangakanani. Wena mawuzenza into yakho uyazi uzoyenza usuke uhambe lo muntu impilo yakhe ilungi.
So there is no such ukuthi kahle kunamanzi angcolile.
If ever kunamanzi angcolile Phathanani lemvula enethayo kusho ukuthi nathi mayisinetha and then thina siyinyanga or siyisangoma sitshela abantu collect rain water and bath in it. Kusho ukuthi sitshela abantu ukuthi abageze ngeichitho zabanye abantu. Or masiyisangoma sitshela abantu nomela uyophakanyiswela emanzini sithatha umntana abantu siyomphakamisela kanti simfaka ichitho olwandle. Do you understand what I mean? So what are we saying? So are we saying we are stopping all water rituals because olwandle?
Okay. I want to bring something. Ishoba. Ishoba. Yini ishoba?
Yo.
2. Ishoba lithathwa kuphi kahle kahle?
Mashoba yahluka.
Uyenza ngiqedele. Ngizile ukuthi yini ishoba kahle kahle. Ngeke ngenze iclip. Yazi umsindo omkhulu ngeshoba. Ngiyibuyisa ke manje ngifuna because unfortunately that day besingayichazi. So my question is yini ishoba? Kahle kahle ishoba lithathwaphi?
Okay.
Because siyabona izangoma ziphethe benza whatever. I want to understand. And amashoba ahlukana kanjani?
Okay. Is this question derived from the fact ukuthi umthetho weshoba? No. Because I want to explain ishoba as ishoba.
I want you to explain.
And then there's an idiom sithi umthetho weshoba.
Yeah, no, angifuni umthetho weshoba.
Ishoba.
But mawukuthi you want to mix it, you are more than welcome.
Ishoba. Shoba some people lapha eMarabastad bayathengisa umsila wehashi. Bayathengisa umsila wenkomo. Bayathengisa umsila wenithi inkonkoni.
Ishoba lenkonkoni.
Yes. Bayathengisa imsila of different animals.
Ile msila izangoma ezisebenzayo.
Imsila. It's the tail of an animal. Njengoba ngisho ihashi, inkomo, inkonkoni nithi inkonkoni angazi ngesiZulu.
Mina ngikhuluma ngeshoba leli niphuma nalo nihambe neswa la.
Ngiyakutshela ukuthi abanye basebenzisa inkomo, abanye basebenzisa ihashi, abanye basebenzisa kwaleyo nkonkoni leyo.
Okay.
Kuya ngokuthi wena elakhi idlozi lifuna omuphi umsila.
Are they supposed to go and buy it?
Awafani. Uyothola phi inkonkoni Phathanani?
Okay, qhubeka. No, yeah.
You're gonna buy it because now we can't ask you to buy a cow all because we want a tail. You are gonna have to buy it. It is when you have bought it, what your gobela is going to do, kulelo shoba, that will differentiate it from all the others or the rest. Uyayizwa lento? Yes, ngiyahamba ngiyolithenga bathi idlozi lami lifuna ishoba lenkomo. Idlozi lami lifuna ishoba lehashi. Idlozi lami lifuna ishoba lenkonkoni. Ngihambe ngiyolithenga ngibuye nalo. Kunemithi efakwayo kulelo shoba for it to perform in a certain manner or in a certain way. Yes? Mara makuwa amashoba bawahengile lapha yana eFaraday amashoba.
But before bekade vele ethenga amashoba or bekwenziwa bilihamba liyofunwa or kubulawa inkomo or kubulawa ihashi.
Hey. Look, there were hunters back in the day. So I believe uktenga ishoba has always been there. It's just that in the olden days, bebangatengi there was bartering.
Okay.
What we call today buying. There was an exchange of certain things. So yes, I mean, imagine me in the 60s saying, "Puma ngumuntu wesifazane, I'm going to zingela inkonkoni." There were people that zingelad and came back with these things.
So now lawa manje bawazingelile.
Yeah, that's why it's called the black market.
That's
why it's called the black. That is why lakuthengiswa khona imithi is called the black market. Because kunezinto ezithengiswa laphayana they are not supposed to be sold. That is, you must check lakuthengiswa khona imithi. There's a bit of discreetness lapho. Yeah, I was khulunywa zonke izinto phahlalezi ukuthi hey sengifuna Let's make an example ngepangolini. We all know pangolin is endangered. But I'll tell you, nabakhona abantu abanayo ipangolin endumbeni zawo. We know it's a given fact that pangolin is an endangered species according to the government of South Africa. But sinayo ipangolin.
Khona umunye wangisendela ku TikTok. Wangisendela ivideo yayo.
Hence I'm saying to you, sinayo.
Like but ngizoyenzani mina?
Yeah.
Like mina ngizoyenzani mina?
Yeah, mara ngisho people think that when uyanyanga and everything.
Like I'm like
exactly. That's what I'm trying to say to you. And that person was very discreet with you. Exactly. Because that person understands ukuthi yena makangathola naleyo nto uyoboshwa. So ziyathengwa lezi zinto inkonkoni, inkomo, amahashi, zonke lezi zinto ziyathengwa. That is why city west lakuthengiswa khona imithi yesintu. There's the black market side of it. Because we understand ukuthi there's a way yokumixa imithi that will want us to ukuthi ngibe nefutha le crocodile, ngibe nefutha le lion, ngibe nefutha le giraffe. And I can't go to Kruger National Park khona manje ngifike ngene kokoni njalo bengizobulala igiraffe ufuna ifutha. So yes, siyawathenga amashoba. It is imithi lefakwa phakathi that separates ukuthi lele lenkomo lisebenza njani, lele lehashi lisebenza njani, lele lenkonkoni lisebenza njani.
Okay, but you can buy them.
Ngamnandi.
No, mina bengicanga ukuthi mhlambe benza into wrong. Me,
no,
Chef Mbata, honestly, I thought this is wrong because ngendlela izinto ezenzakala ngoba manje nangendlela ezenzakala before akusafani.
No.
And there are a lot of wrong things that are happening.
Very much. Patanani, I keep saying ukuthi where there's demand, production will happen.
Yes.
Where there's demand.
Yes.
The reason why we are seeing the way izinto zenzakala ngakhona manje ukuthi imbuzi ziningi. And imbuzi ziyawadinga amashoba. Uyayizwa leyo nto?
Uyayizwa.
Because imbuzi masizithwasisa in uniformity even if mina lami idlozi alifuna ishoba but ngizokuthengisa because everyone else uneshoba.
Let's say ishoba lembuzi emngomeni.
Imbuzi ngisho abantu.
Uqalile. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Imbuzi ziningi.
Okay. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuneyimfihlo eziningi ukuphuza uphalazi. And I just want to understand these rituals kahle kahle. they really necessary?
Yes,
Okay.
they are necessary.
Okay. Don't go deep.
I'm not going deep. I'm just
Okay.
saying to you, yes, they are necessary because it's a right of way
Okay.
to get to somewhere.
Okay.
Angisho bengila ehambeni lami ngithwasa ngifundiswa lezi zinto zonke lezi. Now I'm graduating.
Okay.
I need to cross over to the other side.
Okay.
Also, I will say to you, it is how the crossing over happens.
That's where I was going, but
Yes.
you can proceed. Yes.
It is how the crossing over
Yes.
happens.
Yes.
Abanye abantu abaliphuzi baliphalazi.
Yeah.
Nama reasons wabo. Abanye abantu bayaliphuza baliphalazi. Banama reasons wabo ila kufika khona kuthiwe impande azifani. Yayizwa? Eyami impande ithi sibulala le mbuzi lonke lela gazi uyoligwinya. Eyakhe impande phathanani ithi hae so ibulala le mbuzi but we are going to take drops sibeke elimini lakho uyiphuzile wayiphalaza. Abanye abantu bathi no so ibulala le mbuzi but we are going to smear you with this blood.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Kuyohluka ukwenza kweimpande. Kuyohluka also not just impande phathanani. You see, that's why I say to people, ungathwasisi umuntu into wena ucabanga ukuthi uyayazi. Thwasisa umuntu into idlozi lakhe lifunayo.
Wow.
Mina as much as impande yami ingasho ukuthi siyaliphuza siyaliphalaza. But what if when idlozi lakho lithi mina angiphuzi gazi? Now mele ngikuforce ngikuphuzisa igazi because ula esikolweni sami and mina at my school we drink igazi. What is your covenant? Because I always tell people this, that the minute uphuza or sihlinza leyo mbuzi and sikhulumisile sikhulume nayo ngegama lakho, then we are entering into a covenant. What if your covenant doesn't want you to intake lelo gazi? What if your covenant is that siyogcaba sigcaba imbuzi sihlanganisa amagazweni? What if your covenant with whatever that you're going into says bulalane leyo mbuzi and smear it on me? The problem is we want to sonke singena Putadichaba primary school. Abantwana eklasini bayi 50. We want them to understand understanding kaphathanani. Kanti that's not the case. That is why I always ask ukuthi mawuthatha abantwana bayi 50 bafake esigodlweni. How are you going to individually understand ukuthi leli dlozi lifunani specifically? That's where you end up ukuthi sonke sithwasile siphuza igazi sonke kanti bakhona they were not supposed to ukuthi baphuza igazi. Sonke sithwasile sihamba ngamashoba wenkomo kanti bakhona abanye bekumele bathola inkonkoni or ihashi. Sonke sithwasile sigqoka ubuhlalo obu red and green and orange kanti bakhona labo bamele bafake obu green purple. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo? Masi 50 siyohamba ngokuthi phathanani yena hlakaniphile mangimbuza ukuthi umuthi lo yini asho fast. Kusho ukuthi nani abanye niyayizwa lento because wayiphathana nayizwile nina abanye ningayizwanga. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo? So the problem yithi sizibiza abogobela. Because the fact that you are in my house, you are going to do what I want. Forgetting ukuthi kufike wena nedlozi lakho lizofuna ukufunda kimi but lingasho ukuthi I must oppress it ngilifundise because mina yilento engiyazi. Yabona the sad thing is people don't understand ukuthi mawufaka ithwasa uyathwasa now fresh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because angibazi abantu bakambatha. Ngiyozifundisa abantu bakambatha. Ngiyothwasa nawe. Uyongithwasisa isiko lakini ngiyokuthwasisa mina ngiyokuvulela ngokwasemithini nasebungomeni. So suke sithwasa sobabili. Masi 50 sithwasa sonke?
We don't know.
Exhaustion ithini ngaleso sikhathi because I'll tell you one thing phathanani. Umuntu akafika athwase bakuthiwa uthwasa umnguni kuphela. Or bathi lo muntu unemnguni nomndawo kuphela. It's a lie. Umuntu uyafika kuphathanani so. Kuphuma abantu abayi50 phezulu kwaphathanani. Individually bafuna into yabo ethize.
Mase nabatana ba 50 ke
Exactly. That is why I'm saying ukuthi right now we are producing quantity instead of quality. That is why we are dealing with the problems that we are dealing with today. Phathanani. That is why we are dealing with the problems that we are. That is why we are dealing with people that because bayazi ukuthi ogobela baba bayenzelanga next and babathembisa mangibakutshela ukuthi mawuphuma la uzosebenza uzophuma loyo mntwana afuna ukuyothwala without an understanding yokuthi uthwala ini. Yayizwa lento bamuphe vele leyo nto because naye iMTT uyothatha le ebu empty bakhe abufundise le imbuzi ezinye lezi yobe ezidonsile ngalesigubhu sakhe. Quality versus quantity.
Okay, you did touch. So one of the things I wanted to ask you, ukuthi manje the danger.
Iyo le danger ukuthi it's said now because laba bathwalisi nabo abasanayo that thing ukuthi babheke ecala. Babheke ukuthi ngifika ne50,000 nayi. Ngigcoka ubuhlalo kusho ukuthi ngithwasile. Uzongipha into yami. Ngiyofika ngibeke lapha yana ekhaya 3-4 days is too much. Sengingenelwa amathwasa ayi10. Ngikhulumise lesi2 kungena 10 es20. Les3 kuna 30. Uyidlile yakho 80,000 nami le yami ngizoyidla ngizoyibuyisa le yamali yami. But what am I teaching them if myself mina phathana nangizunderstand? Ngikupha ini? Mina ngeke ngazwa istory umuntu athi bathi ungenelwa amathwasa uphumile uyohlola amathwasa wakhe kwesinye isangoma.
Uyohlola amathwasa wakhe.
Mara uyugobela mara uyohlola amathwasa. Emarabastad bathi bathengisa intwaso. Bathi uyayithenga intwaso emarabastad. Mina ngazi ukuthi mawuthwasile ugobela wakho mawusuwenzile ama rituals afanele ugobela wakho uyakuphi intwaso athi mntanami nako hamba kaso. Mara emarabastad bayayipackage bayayithengisa.
Tell me, umuntu uthwasa isikhathi ngakanani? How long are you
supposed to stay
entwaseni?
It depends kulelo dlozi.
Okay.
I will not say 2 days. I will not say 50 years.
Okay.
It depends. Kunamanye amadlozi madala.
Yeah.
Bayafuna izinto zabo zenzelwe kahle. Singayenzi express phathana. Singayenzi express. Phela the reason why sithwasisa ama 3 months manje. Ngibheka ukuthi by 5 ama 50,000. 3 months so it means I'm going to ngiyothwasisa ama 555 i3. Ngikhavarile million yam for the year.
Rich.
Ngikhavarile million yam for the year. Sebenzisa leyo mentality khona manje asasebenzisa ukuthi lo muntu idlozi lakhe lifunani. That is why umntwana manga namali ethi ufuna ukuthwasa ngeke ngimthathe because uzongihluphekisa leyo muntu akanamali ngizomenza uyongikhokha ngani. Kanti wena awukhethwanga yilo mntwana ukhethe yilo dlozi lalo muntu and awazi ukuthi bazokurepair ngani bona. But because ngifike ngenalutho esandleni phathana you're not going to take me. Awuthwasisa umuntu ohluphekayo mosweni.
Yes, now kunomunye nje engangikhuluma naye ngelinye ilanga uthwasisayo. Lo muntu uthi umntwana wami uyaphuma usewazi yonke into ekudala hlezi la yini. Ngiyambuza ukuthi why uthi umndeni bewunganayo imali yokuthi aphume. So I just want to know ukuthi is it allowed ukuthi umntwana usumbona ukuthi ready ukuphuma umhlalise ngoba imali. Kudala
ngisho bayabaleka. So kunaleyo nto. Look, I'm not going to say what izangoma doing is right or wrong. Phathana umuntu ngiyakuncedisa namhlanje. Ngithi kuwe aye phathana mfamba kaya uyatira. Utabe uyonehakela. Al end. Yayizwa? Uyile al end.
Yeah, understand.
Right. Abanye bahlalisa abantu because also bathathe lento bayenza ibusiness. Uyaphungena ungakangiphi imali yami. Hlala uzokwazi ukuthi ungiphi imali yami.
Angithi kumele ngiphume ngisebenze ngizokhona ukuthi ngikhande imali.
Abantu bakina bayoyifuna imali. Babuye bazongikhokha mina I'll release you when you have given me my money. Mina kudala when my elders used to tell me bathi umuntu mekanga nemali phathanani. Uyamupha into zakho uthi hamba uyosebenza.
I think that's fair.
Uzobuya ungiphe imali yami or whatever inkomo yami or imbuzi yami or whatever lengicharge yona. Yes, hamba uyosebenza uzobuya. That's what we knew, but today phathanani ngoba nathi izangoma zamakhruku nabo laba abazothwasa nabo bafika nobukhruku babo. Asathembani ngaleyo ndlela. You understand? Asathembani ngaleyo ndlela. Also, it is because they are afraid because abantu babangena ephehlweni babathembisa amanga babathembisa ukuthi mawuphuma la uzoyosebenza. And they know nabo ukuthi ama empty bazithwelele nje abantu bahleli lapha because babizwe yilento ebabizile. Ayikho into azoyisebenza umntana abantu. So uzenzani? Ngizogcina la kule ukuthi ngiphi imali yami before hamba. Because I know for a fact ukuthi ngikuphanga next and ayikho into ezosebenza mawusuphumile out of my hands. So ngizoma lapha yena ukutheni hlala
kuze ngizothola imali yami.
Exactly. And then what happens to you masungikhokhile? You know, excuse yethu ithini? Awuzenza izinto zedlozi so idlozi alikuboni. Knowing very well ukuthi angiphanga next.
But uma uthi bayabaleka kanti impande yakho la uthwase khona awudingi ukuthi uhlaluya.
Uyowenza masuphumile uqedile.
Angibahleke lethi impande kaMajoy impande ka
You are for Amara gatherings and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are for my gatherings and to celebrate. But uzoya empand la uthwase khona ufike uyenzani? Ufike uhlale wena gobela ngizokuvakashela. Unempilo. You have your life to live, Patanani. People must understand there's life beyond Uktwas.
But are you forced to go to the event in Kitty as well?
If you want to. It's not forced. If you want to.
Okay.
If you don't want to, you don't want to. You don't want to go. Sometimes it was silly because Bokula and there were certain rituals that you needed to guzlulisa. But you're not a people's person. Now because it was silly every weekend when you're like, no.
It's a bit, let's close the show. Word of wisdom. Did you see yourself?
We must also understand that besides ukuthi umuntu unedlozi, umuntu une-character yakhe. Awuyena umuntu wabantu, Pathanani, you were out there usakhula. Now that you've zened, you understand who you are. Spotlight as interesting. Now because you have friends laba bakruvayo, you must step out of character because now you have friends miliyongena lapho gruva khona. It's not your character.
I've played my part, then I'm fine. Anyway, I hope you are enjoying the episode with me and Utepiso. You all know Utepiso. Like, yeah. And as you all know that I am an author of this beautiful book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. The copy is on the Transit Trend. We deliver across South Africa via Pexi. All you need to do is to DM us, email us, WhatsApp us, no calls. Then we'll deliver. Word of wisdom, whatever that's when I say. We spoke about so many things.
Yeah.
And you asked never like hi good. Unless I was a boy.
Hayi ngeke ziningi izinto. Based on indaba zokuthi sabantu in us wanting to go back emaziswini, can we do it with the utmost honesty? Into my wrong ayibe wrong. Singayithatha ukuthi ikhulunywe uThepiso, vele uThepiso asimthandi, vele ngeke sime naye. Let's teach ourselves to listen to the truth and not to look at who it's coming from. Asilaleleni iqiniso singabheki ukuthi likhulunywa ubani. And in that truth, also sit down with yourself and interrogate yourself ukuthi mara leli qiniso lihamba kanjani. I think our biggest thing, Pathanani and the Munchies, is to understand who we are. And in understanding who we are is to accept and to build on how great we are.
Oh, how great we are. Wow.
As people.
Wow.
Because listen, we are the reason why we are here and we are experiencing this thing together. It is because we are very special.
Wow.
The problem is asaz because asifuna ukwazi.
Wow.
Sifuna ukutshela ukuthi Pathanani, you are special. There is a reason for everything, and it needs us as people ukuthi see. Let's go deep into ourselves and find out why such and such is happening in this and this way. Then we won't be fooled. Then we won't be gullible to things that we know deep down in our hearts are wrong. Then we won't go around wanting ukukhuphula what we know we are beyond. Because I'll tell you now, we are beyond Itwalo. But because we don't trust and we don't believe in who we are, Itwalo will always be beyond us because we don't understand who we are.
Wow. And it's time isn't at the same time because lento you show your intesi beginning nayo.
Yeah, it's the pandemic esikuyo khona manje.
My Munchies, Nizwile, you are special. Yazi ukuthi umuntu makathi ngispecial ngijabula kanjani?
Because you are.
But manje ngendlela izinto ezizakala ngayo. So please trust yourself. Believe in yourself. Siyekujaha. siye kugijima. Sahle ukugijima esikoleni.
Mara funa ugijima manje.
On that note, thank you so much for watching Munchies and Thoughts. Your support is amazing. And goodbye, darlings. Mwah. Thank you, my lovey.